Good morning, Jarvis. I am the Bushman, and this great new, all-new nutrition bar was developed at the University of Saskatchewan Food Development Center. It took me and my wife, Dr. Karen Payne, 6 years to get this wonderful product to market. It is truly wildly nutritious and very delicious. 17 ingredients to make this fine Canadian product, gluten-free, and best of all, Canadian. That's what people are supporting. Me and Dr. Karen Payne, my wife, we won 3rd place in the Great Manitoba Food Fight with this product 3 years ago. We won $5,000 in this medal, $5,000 in this medal, excuse me, out of 10 competitors. I'm here down at Save You IGA in Nipawin, Saskatchewan with Jarvis, the guy in the tie. He picked up this bar this morning, and it is truly wildly nutritious and very delicious. Okay, Jarvis, here's Jarvis's son.
Well, I'm gonna try a sample here of the bar.
Bushman's bar, wildly nutritious and very delicious. What do you think of that bar, sir?
It's very, very awesome. It's a well-made bar. It's very good. Yes.
And you know what? 17 ingredients, no artificial flavors or colors, and best of all, right here, guys. See that? Canadian made, down at the U of S. And you know what? 6 years to get this fine Canadian product to market. Here, Jarvis, would you like to sample, sir?
Absolutely. Hi there, I'm Jarvis, the guy in the tie, and I'm here with Jojo, and he came to Nipawin and brought us this great product, the Bushman bar.
Wildly nutritious and very delicious.
So just come on down to Save You IGA, give this product a try. It's gluten-free, very nutritious, Canadian made. Thanks.
17 ingredients and all natural. No artificial flavors or colors in this bar. That's why it took 6 years, Jarvis.
Well, that's awesome.
Thank you for your time, and thank you for purchasing the Bushman's bar, Canadian made.
All right, thank you for watching.